So equation of a tangent and the normal to the ellipse here. Therefore x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. Take equation number 1. Be the equation of ellipse. So let P into bracket x1 y1 be a point on the ellipse. One here. Therefore, replace x by x1 and y by y1 here. So x1 square divided by a square, then plus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. So take this one as equation number 2 here. Then the differentiating equation 1 with respect to x here. Differentiating 1 with respect to x. Here a square and b square both are constants here. So x square differentiation is 2x divided by a square plus and a b square also constant here, keep as it is here. And y square differentiation is 2y into dy upon dx is equal to differentiation of 1 becomes 0. Then take 2x upon a square this side here. So therefore 2y divided by b square into dy upon dx is equal to minus of 2x divided by a square. Then this 2 and this 2 get cancels here. Then take a b square that side and divide this side here. Cross multiply. So we get dy upon dx is equal to minus of b square x divided by a square y. Cross multiply. B square into x, b square into x, y to b, y square is a square y. Therefore m is equal to, m is the slope of the tangent here, dy upon dx at the point x1 y1 is equal to minus of b square x1 divided by a square into y1, which is the slope of the tangent. So this is a tangent here. Okay, so m is the slope of the tangent, which is a slope of the tangent to the ellipse here. At the point x1 y1 here. So this is a tangent here at the point x1 y1. Slope of this tangent is this here, minus b square x1 divided by a square y1. So this tangent passing to the point x1 y1 and having a slope m here. Therefore equation of this tangent is, therefore equation of a tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So m is this here. So just replace y minus y1 is equal to minus of b square x1 minus b square x1 divided by a square y1 into x minus x1 here. Okay. Now take a square y1 this side here, cross multiply. So a square y1 into y minus y1 is equal to minus of b square x1 into bracket x minus x1 here. Then take this a square y1 inside the bracket and b square x1 inside the bracket here. So a square y1 minus this into this here. A square y1 square is equal to, then this into this minus of b square x into x1 plus b square x1 square. Now take this term left side and this term right hand side. So b square x1 plus a square y1 is equal to, so b square x1 square plus a square y1 square. Then dividing both the sides by a square to b square. Dividing both the sides by a square into b square. Therefore, this term divided by this means b square cancels here. So x1 divided by a square plus again this term divided by this term, a square cancels here. y1 divided by b square is equal to, again this term divided by this here, b square cancels here. So x1 square divided by a square, then plus a square cancels y1 square divided by b square. But here x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square is equal to 1 here from equation 2. So right side becomes 1. Hence x1 divided by a square plus y1 divided by b square is equal to 1 here from equation number 2. So this is a equation of the tangent here, which is equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to the ellipse at the point of x1 y1 here. Again here very simple method to remember this formula. Just replace x square by x1 and y square by y1 in this equation here. We get the equation of tangent. Very simple method to remember. Next, you can find the equation of normal also. Okay, normal always are perpendicular to tangent here. So this is a tangent here and this is a normal. Normal is always perpendicular to the tangent here. This line is a normal. We have to find the equation of normal here. Therefore, equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon m into bracket x minus x1 is. Therefore, y minus of y1 is equal to minus 1 by m here. So m is this one, slope of the tangent. Minus 1 by m means it is the slope of normal here because they are perpendicular to each other. So take its reciprocal here. Minus and this minus becomes a plus here. Minus and this minus becomes a plus. Then take its reciprocal here. So a square y1 divided by b square x1 here into bracket x minus x1 here. Then take b square this side here, y1 this side. So therefore b square y minus of y1 divided by y1 here is equal to, so a square into bracket x minus x1 divided by x1 here. So this is the equation of normal here at the point x1 minus, okay, which is the equation of the normal, which is the equation of a normal to the ellipse 1 here at the point x1 y1. This is the tangent and this is the equation of normal here. Okay, so these two are also important for the competitive examination here, especially in the JEE examination. We are using these formulas here. So derivation is not important for competitive examination here. These formulas are very important here. Remember it here. So parametric form of equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 or x equal to a cos t and y is equal to b sin t. Because we are both satisfying this equation here. Just look here, x square, therefore this square is what here? A square cos square t divided by this a square, then plus y square is b square sin square t here, b square into sin square t divided by b square. A square cancels here, b square cancel, cos square plus sin square is equal to 1 here, RHS. Therefore, the equation is satisfied by these two equations here. Yes, these are called parametric equation of the ellipse here. And the point a cos t, this x coordinate, this is y coordinate. A cos t comma b sin t on the ellipse is denoted by t here. Okay. You can find the equation of tangent at the point t here. Again is the same formula, just replace this x1 by this a cos t here and y1 by b sin t. Okay. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at t is at t means at this point here. Therefore, x into a cos t divided by a square, then plus y into, replace this y1 by b sin t here. B sin t divided by b square is equal to 1 here. Then a1 a cancels here, b 1b get cancels. Therefore x into cos of t divided by a, then plus y into sin t divided by b is equal to 1 here. So this is the equation of tangent to the ellipse at the point t, which is the equation of tangent, which is equation of tangent to the ellipse at the point t. At the point t means at this point here. Okay. Similarly, you can find the equation of normal and equation of normal at t is, use this formula. So replace this y1 by b sin t here. So therefore b square into bracket y minus of b into sin of t here divided by b sin t. Then this is equal to, then a square into x minus x1 here. x1 is a cos of t here. A cos of t divided by a into cos t. Here b and 1b cancels here. A and 1a get cancels. Then you can take here, okay, sin t this side and cos t this side here. Therefore, sin t into, okay, cos t into this here, cos of t into bracket y minus b into sin t. Okay. Then this is equal to, and already b is the let b into cos of t here, b into cos t, and here a into sin t here, a into sin of t into bracket x minus a into cos t. Now take the term inside the bracket here. Okay. So b cos t into y here, b cos t into y minus of this into this here. So b square sin t into cos t into cos t. Next take this term inside here. So a into sin t into x minus of a square sin t into cos of t. Next take this term, we miss this term right side here, and this term left hand side. So a square sin t into cos t here, sin t into cos t minus of this here, minus of b square into sin t into cos of t is equal to a sin t into x, a into sin t into x, and take this one right hand side here, minus of b into cos t into y. Here sin t into cos t is a common factor here. So a square minus of b square into sin t into cos of t is equal to a sin t into x, a into sin t into x minus of b into cos t into y. Then take this sin t into cos t right hand side here. That's the cross multiply. We get a square minus of b square is equal to a into sin t into x minus of b into cos t into y divided by sin t into cos t, sin t into cos of t. Therefore, a square minus of b square is equal to this term divided by this term here, a into sin t into x here divided by sin t into cos of t, then minus of b into cos of t into y divided by sin t into cos t here, sin t into cos of t, then here sin of t here, sin t get cancels and cos t get cancels here. Therefore, remaining here a into x cos t here. Therefore, a into x divided by cos of t minus b into y, b into y divided by sin of t is equal to a square minus b square. So this is a equation of normal at the point t. These are the parametric formula. These are parametric form and these are Cartesian formula. Even it's a previous formula also Cartesian form. These are parametric form of equation of tangent and normal here. Even these are all useful for competitive examination here. Derivation not important here, but these formulas are important.